In previous lecture, we study one theorem, that is section formula for internal division. What is section formula for internal division? If there is a line segment AB and point R divides AB in the ratio m/n, then R bar is equal to NB bar plus NA bar divided by m plus n. In this lecture, we study section formula for external division. This is section formula for internal division and this is section formula for external division. There is only difference of a sign. Here plus sign on numerator and denominator, and here is a minus sign. That is on RHS numerator and denominator. This is only difference between the internal division and external division. If internal division, here is plus sign, and in external division here is minus sign. So next theorem, theorem second is section formula for external division. Now it's statement. Statement is, let A of A bar and B of B bar be any two points in the space and R of R bar be the point on the line segment AB dividing the segment AB externally in the ratio m/n, then R bar is equal to NB bar minus NA bar divided by m minus n. Here division is external. So its proof, suppose there is a line segment AB. This is a line segment AB and point R divides AB externally. So here is point R which is divide AB externally. The position vector of a point A with respect to the origin, that is A bar. Position vector of a point B with respect to origin is B bar. Position vector of a point R with respect to origin, which is R bar. This point R is on external, that is external division. So for the convenience we have to say that is A, B, R or R, A, B. We take here A, B, R. So point R divides the line segment AB in the ratio m/n. So here length of AR is m and this will be n because R divides AB. So AR is m and BR is n. Then by ratio here AR bar upon BR bar. We have to take here BR bar, not RB bar. Direction is important. Here we take ABR. So we take BR bar. That is AR bar upon BR bar is equal to m by n. Then by position vector, what is value of AR bar? AR bar is R bar minus A bar divided by what is BR bar? BR bar is R bar minus B bar, which is equal to m by n. We multiply here, cross section, cross multiplication. So n into R bar minus A bar is equal to m into R bar minus B bar. Multiply to the bracket, that is n R bar minus n A bar is equal to m R bar minus m B bar. We take R bar term on LHS, that is if we take this term on here and this term on here, that is m B bar minus get plus minus n A bar is equal to m R bar minus n R bar. We get R bar here common. So mb bar minus na bar, which is equal to m minus nr bar. This bracket is multiplied to the r bar, it will be divided by this side. So r bar is equal to mb bar minus na bar divided by m minus n. This is a section formula for external division. Here division is externally, so for that here we take br bar, not rb bar. Remember this step and this formula. So there is two formulae. First is external division. Internal division, here only sign is plus, and for external division sign is minus. Now some notes on this. In some examples, our given values are a and b, and they ask to find out the value of ms to n. What is the ratio? Find the ratio in which the point divide the line segment. So for that we have to find the ratio. We consider one ratio. What is that ratio? That will be k as to 1. That will be k as to 1. By supposition, for the convenience. Why we take it k as to 1? If there is a ratio 2 as to 3, then it is in dividation form, that is 2 by 3. So it is also 2 by 3 upon 1 form. This and this term also same. 2 by 3 upon 1, it is similar to 2 by 3 as to 1. That means we put value k here, that is 2 by 3, it will become, that is 2 as to 3. That is, if the value of k, we have given the value of k, that is k is equal to, or we find out the value of k, that is 1 by 5, then its ratio is 1 as to 5. If we find out the value of k is equal to 5, then that ratio is 5 as to 1. This is the first note. For the find of ratio, we have to take k as to 1 ratio. Now next note is, second note is, if we have given a triangle and we have a vertices of a triangle, coordinates of vertices of a triangle, and we have to find out its centroid, then suppose there is a triangle ABC, and this is the centroid of a triangle which is G, then its formula is G bar is equal to, suppose its position vector is A bar, its B bar and its C bar. Then centroid G bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar divided by 3. Here divided by 3 because G divides its by 2 as to 1 ratio. So here 2 plus 1 by section formula, 2 plus 1 it will become 3. So G bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar divided by 3. This is a centroid formula of a triangle. Now centroid formula of a tetrahedron. If there is a tetrahedron, A, B, C, D, and if this is a centroid of a tetrahedron, its position vector is A bar, B bar, C bar and D bar. Then what is the value of G? It will be G bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar. A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar divided by 4, because this point divides into 3 as to 1 ratio. So 3 as to 1 it will be 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. That is G bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar divided by 4. This is a centroid formula for tetrahedron. This is a centroid formula for triangle. So we learn here 5 formulas. 5 formulas First is section formula for internal division, second is midpoint formula, third is section formula for external division, then this is centroid formula for triangle, centroid formula for tetrahedron. There is 5 formulae. Now examples, some examples on this point. So first example, find the position vector of point R. Find the position vector of point R which divides the line joining the points P and Q whose position vectors are 2i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap and minus 5i cap plus 2j cap minus 5k cap in the ratio 3:2. We have to first find internally and the second externally. So, find the position vector of a point R which divides the line segment joining the points P and Q whose position vectors. This is the position vector of a point P. So here P bar is equal to 2i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap and this is the position vector of a point Q, that is Q bar is equal to minus 5i cap plus 2j cap minus 5k cap. And we have to find out the value or position vector of a point R. That is, we have to find R bar. In which ratio it divides? That is 3:2. So m/n is equal to 3:2. Firstly, we have to find out the internal division. For internal division, there is a formula for R bar. What is formula? R bar is equal to m q bar plus n p bar upon m plus n. So here R bar is equal to value of m is 3, q bar is minus 5i cap plus 2j cap minus 5k cap plus value of n is 2 and p bar is 2i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap divided by 3 plus 2 which is 5. We multiply by 3, then minus 15i cap plus 6j cap minus 15k cap. Here multiply by 2, that is plus 4i cap minus 2j cap plus 6k cap divided by 5, which is equal to minus 15 and plus 4 which is minus 11i cap, 6 minus 2 which is plus 4j cap and minus 15 plus 6 which is minus 9k cap upon 5. This is the value of a R bar in internal division. Now second is in external division. Here only change in the sign in formula, which is R bar is equal to n q bar minus n p bar upon m minus n. So here change only in the sign. So this will become, here m is 3, q bar here minus 2 p bar divided by n minus n, that is 3 minus 2, which is equal to multiply by 3, that is minus 15i cap plus 6j cap minus 15 k cap multiplied by minus 2, which is equal to minus 4 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 6 k cap divided by 1, which is equal to minus 15 and minus 4, which is equal to minus 19 I cap plus 6 and 2, which is plus 8 j cap, and minus 15 and minus 6, which is equal to minus 21 k cap. This is the value of a R bar in external division. I hope you understand this example. Thank you.